I'm Jesper Fonsobel. I'm from Huddly. And we are here at the AETM in Sydney. And we are a silver sponsor of the AETM. It's been a couple of years. And the reason we are here is because we have some great offerings for the education sector. It's a big part of our solution is for the education sector. And we are particularly showing our relatively new C1, which is our video box that combines our excellent camera technology with powerful hi-fi speakers and 16 microphones that are extremely powerful. They can cover rooms up to 10 meters and handle acoustics issues really, really well. We also kind of anticipating what we are launching next year, where we can expand the C1 with extra cameras. Because we of course have our multi-camera AI-driven solution we call Huddly Crew, and that is being extended into the video bar, so we can offer a complete modular solution for more customers.
Beautiful. You sort of touched on it a little bit, but what trends are you seeing in the education space, and where does Huddly fit in those trends?
So I think, first of all, the education space are looking for simplicity in the solution. And that is combined with also kind of an end-user requirement to create better solutions, video conferencing solutions for the fine participants, and get them more engaged in the meeting, make them feel they're part of the education sessions and so on. So the AI-driven camera solution kind of offers both. It is able to give you a very engaged experience in the training rooms, but it's also very simple because there's no configuration, no setup. And I think that really hits well into the education sector.
Yeah, beautiful. Final little bit of a layup question, but do you mind just talking a bit about the importance of the AETM and having just this association where you're able to speak to so many education, AV and IT guys?
But I think it's special because there's not many industries that have this kind of get-together where they're sharing and knowledge sharing and learning from each other. And being part of that is really excited as a vendor because we can inspire and help the education sector think about what's possible in the market.
Beautiful. All right, thanks for your time.
Thank you.